Have you ever wondered how some people make their money work for them while others work endlessly for money? If you're a beginner and you want to start investing in Nigeria, but you don't know where to begin, this video is for you. Today, we'll break down investing in Nigeria in a simple, clear, and beginner-friendly way. No big grammar, no confusion. Let's get started. So, what exactly is investing? Investing simply means putting your money into something today so it can grow and give you more money in the future. Instead of letting your money sleep in your bank account, investing allows your money to work for you, day and night. Now, why should you invest in Nigeria? One big reason is inflation. Prices of food, fuel, rent, everything keeps increasing. If your money is not growing, it's actually losing value over time. Investing helps protect your money and gives you a chance to build wealth gradually, even if you're starting with small amounts. Let's talk about common types of investments in Nigeria. The first one is stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company like Dangote, Cement, or GTTO. If the company grows, your money grows too. But stocks can go up and down, so they're best for people who are thinking long-term and are willing to be patient. Another option is mutual funds and treasury bills. With mutual funds, your money is managed by professionals who invest it for you. Treasury bills are backed by the Nigerian government, making them one of the safest investment options available. These are great choices if you want lower risks and less stress. There's also real estate. This includes buying land or property and holding it as its value increases over time. In recent years, digital investments like agri-tech platforms and fintech investment apps have also become popular. Just make sure any platform you use is registered, regulated, and properly verified. So, how do you start investing? First, set a clear goal. Are you investing for emergencies, future business plans, or long-term wealth? Next, start small. You don't need millions. Even 5,000 or 10,000 Naira is enough to begin. Finally, use trusted platforms such as licensed stockbrokers or regulated investment apps. Before we end, let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. Don't rush into investments you don't understand. Don't follow hype or get-rich-quick promises. And never invest money you'll need urgently. So, what's the takeaway? Investing in Nigeria is possible, even for beginners. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.